So when you are buying a house, everyone from colleagues to close family, not to mention the internet, has advice for you. But it's not all very helpful. And we are here for you to sort out fact from fiction and making finding the right home a lot easier for you. So we get hundreds of questions from first-time buyers. Many of you would like to know about the process of buying a house and how does it work? What happens in what order? Who knows what? For how long? And how long does it all take? And what is the team? And all of that. And those are all really good questions. And it can seem to be a little bit complicated, but it doesn't need to be. So here are the steps you need to take when you consider buying a house for the first time. So you save the deposit, you work out your budget, you find a home, you get a financial appraiser, you get a structural surveyor, you get a mortgage offer, find a civil notary, transfer the deposit to the notary, and get an interpreter. Sign the deed to complete the purchase. And I know, if it all seemed to be a little bit much for you, I get that. And don't worry, you can remind yourself by using our simple step-by-step guide, which is available right here for you, whenever you need it. Hi, my name is Karola Grünenbaum. I'm from Stark Real Estate and I'm the author of The Hague Houses and Happiness. And click the link below.